As indicated by the most recent long-haul estimate, Ethereum cost will hit $5,000 toward the finish of 2025. Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $2,090.33. So the cost expanded by 75% from the outset of the year. The determined Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $3,706, and the year-to-year change plus 211%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 77%. In 2023, we hope to see $2,762 per 1 Ethereum. In the main portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $3,930. In the final part, the cost would add $47 and close the year at $3,977, which is plus 90% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months: Monday, April 17, $2,099. Tuesday, April 18, $2,108. Wednesday, April 19, $2,117. Thursday, April 20, $2,126. Friday, April 21, $2,135. Saturday, April 22, $2,144. Sunday, April 23, $2,153. Monday, April 24, $2,162. May 15, $2,350. June 15, $2,628. July 15, $2,839. August 15, $2,998. September 15, $3,157. Ethereum expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $3,977 to $6,637, which is up 67%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $3,977, then, at that point, take off to $4,693 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $5,397. That implies plus 158% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $6,637 to $8,551, which is plus 29%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $6,637, then, at that point, take off to $7,035 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $6,639. It is about plus 218% from today. Ethereum value forecast 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,827.88. So the cost expanded by 53% from the very outset of the year. The determined Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,823, and the year-to-year change plus 137%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 54%. In 2023, we hope to see $2,104 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $2,993. In the final part, the cost would add $36 and close the year at $3,029, which is plus 66% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $3,029 to $5,053, which is up 67%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $3,029, then, at that point, take off to $3,574 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $4,110. That implies plus 125% from today. Ethereum expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $5,053 to $6,510, which is plus 29%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $5,053, then, at that point, take off to $5,356 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $5,055. It is about plus 177% from today. 03/15/2023 Ethereum value forecast 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,709.31. So the cost expanded by 43% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,774, and the year-to-year change plus 132%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 62%. In 2023, we hope to see $2,260 per 1 Ethereum. In the primary portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will drop to $2,693. In the last part, the cost would add $141 and close the year at $2,834, which is plus 66% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum expectation 2025 to 2029, these 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,834 to $4,632, which is up 63%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,834, then, at that point, dip to $2,453 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $2,704. That implies plus 58% from today. Ethereum expectation 2030 to 2034, in this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $4,632 to $7,217, which is plus 56%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $4,632, then take off to $4,910 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $5,101. It is about plus 198% from today. 0301 2023 Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024 Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,651.81. So the cost expanded by 38% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,518, and the year-to-year change plus 111%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 52%. In 2023, we hope to see $2,051 per 1 Ethereum. In the primary portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will drop to $2,444. In the final part, the cost would add $128 and close the year at $2,572, which is plus 56% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2025 to 2029, these 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,572 to $4,206, which is up 64%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,572, then, at that point, dip to $2,227 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $2,455. That implies plus 49% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034, in this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $4,206 to $6,552, which is plus 56%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $4,206, then take off to $4,458 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $4,631. It is about